Okay, today a quick little video on how to replace all of the different dome lights in a Toyota Highlander. So you'll start by needing like a flat screwdriver, or I'm using a paint scraper, just something with a little sharp point on it. And each of the lights kind of has this little slot on one side. That's what it's designed for you to put something like a screwdriver or this in to pop the cover off. Nothing hard about this at all. You could even use a butter knife. You see me use this paint scraper in a ton of my videos, so I just like having it around. Now, if your fingers are small, you can probably get in here and pull them out. Please be warned that you need to let these cool down. If they're not LED bulbs, you'll want to let them cool down before you go about sticking your finger in there. I want to show you another way though. If you have bigger fingers or have trouble getting them out, if you have a pair of small needle nose pliers and are very careful, you can use the pliers to coax them out. So I'm using these LED lights from LASFIT. Get them on Amazon, and if you look in the description below, I've got links to these bulbs. Also, I've got the part numbers for each of the different bulbs you need in case you want to go with another brand, just so you have everything you need if you want to run the local auto parts store and get them instead of buying them off Amazon. Just want to have all the bases covered. So they go back in the same way, these LED ones. You can see they are super bright. I kind of like that. You don't want to stare at them, but once you put the cover over, they light up your car much better, and it's that nice white light instead of the kind of natural light. I know maybe I'm weird. Same for the middle light. This is over the second row. It's got little indentions on that side away from the buttons that you can put your screwdriver in. Again, make sure these are cooled down if you're going to be touching them with your finger. If they are the regular incandescent bulbs, they are really hot and will burn you. I'm just going to use these little needle nose pliers again, and they pop right out. Again, please be very careful. The last thing you want to do is break this bulb and have to try to fish out the broken socket. And the new ones just slide right in there. These are actually the easiest to get in. Again, you see how bright they are. And the cover, to put the cover on, in general, you put the side in that's away from the tabs, and then the other side snaps in. This is the rear light, the rear row, the one right before you get to your trunk. Again, pops right out. And this light's a little different, even easier to get out. So let me kind of show you what that might look like. Once you get the cover popped off, be careful that the switch may fall down too, like you see it's missing here, no big deal. You'll need like a screwdriver, and you're just going to pop out this side. You can orient yourself by looking at the switch. I'm coming at it from the back of the car, and you'll see if I get this angle that side has to go in first. So when you're replacing your bulb, you have to put that side in first, and then the other side, and I know my hand's covering it, the other side you just push right in. Is really easy, so nothing to it. Mostly I wanted to show you how to take the covers off. Alright, hope that helps. Take a look below for the parts you need, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, see you next time.